They say water. Water is life. It's land, earth, water. The three sources of life for humanity. Yet children in Congo are denied this right. The right to life, the right to water. How have we fallen so far from humanity that we let children die of thirst? How have we accepted this as the reality, as a norm for children to die from thirst? 1 out of 2, 1 out of every 2 children under 5. That's way too many. That's a lot of children. And they will sadly die before their 5th birthday from preventable diseases, from preventable death. So what do?
We rise up, not waiting on government, not waiting on big corporations, just us, you and I. Because 1 out of every 2 children is 1 too many. We can't afford to wait. Lives are depending on us. And you made this possible.
Asante sana kwa kona, kwa kutuangalia hapo tulishinda mai. Baba konje anatuangalia hapo leo, anatufanyia kwa mai, tuna furaha sana.
Because of you, children in this village will now live longer, healthier lives. Because water is life itself. Water is everything. And no child should live life drinking unsafe, dirty water. 1 village down, many more to go. We're not done yet. Not until every child in Congo has access to clean, safe drinking water. Thank you for standing with us, for believing in this mission, for standing up for the life of a Congolese child. 1 out of 2 is way too many lives. And we cannot afford to lose them.
Asante mama Melody, félicitations. Mungu ameniapie sana, mipatie nguvu, amilinde sana, njoo hii kazi mnatumika. Mungu amilinde sana, misaidie.